Hey everybody, thanks for joining me. I wanted to take a few minutes to share a little bit more with you about this unit that I use called the PowerDot. I use it for physical therapy, PT. It comes in a single. This particular set is a double called Duo. It comes with 2 sets of pads that go with it. 1 and 2. These units sync with your phone. You hold the button in the center, power's on, indicated by the white button. A single set would come with 1 cord each. These come with 2 because it's Duo. So, simply plugs in at the end. Again, hold, power's on. Short cords are great for areas like your shoulder. Long cords are great for quads, hamstrings, longer areas. I am a woman of symmetry, so I like to work both sides. Even if it's pain management, I will work both shoulders. I think that muscle stim is important. So, for instance, working on the quads, you would do both at the same time with the pads. And I'll show you with the small cord. Just pop one of these off real quick. Whoop. And gotta switch hands because kind of one-handed. And so these would obviously come off here, and I'll show you actually in just a second because these are shot. So it would apply like so. Hopefully you can see me. And then these circular ones would go boom, like so. And yeah, this is going to be kind of rough, but you get the idea. And you can tell that they no longer stick. Okay, you get the point. Oh crap, it did go on too. Okay, so not exactly ideal at this point. They're pretty much just falling off. So when my muscles start stimulating or contracting, that's what was happening today. So again, short cord is great for smaller areas like the shoulder. Same would be true for the longer cord, great for areas like the quads. Maybe even a back if you have your back, if you want to use just one and cover a big area. So these pads are shot. You can typically get 15 to 20 uses out of them. I probably went a wee bit over that. And you can extend the longevity. I've had a little help opening this one. Shh. Don't tell anybody. Okay. You can tell these are, okay, a little bit greasy because I've already handled them. Don't tell anybody that either. But these are really greasy. I try to make sure I wash my hands before handling them. Also prep the area with hand sanitizer, no glitter, no scenty stuff, just straight up plain hand sanitizer or an alcohol prep pad will do the job. That way it just eliminates any oils from the skin and helps again to extend the life of the pads. Also comes with a handy charging cord, USB plug-in, and because this is a duo set, both cords, you can charge both pods at the same time. So you can use it for all sorts of stuff. The app comes with massage settings, 10 settings, workouts, and physical therapy type uses as well as pain management. It's a really amazing setup. Obviously the portability makes it rank way up there for me. Using it in the car for my low back since having spine surgery is a major benefit. Definitely a go-to. If you're not familiar with it, check it out. It's an awesome set.